What's going on? What's going on? Is your guy, man. I'm back. Today we talking about nuts and seeds. 8 nuts and seeds that are in my rotation to assist with weight loss. Now, when you look at the label of these nuts, you'll see usually a serving is around 200 calories for about a fourth of a cup, about 14 grams of fat. The healthy fats, though, fats are real important for the diet. Fats help transport vitamins through our system and also gives us a couple of omega fatty acids that our body doesn't produce on its own. So we have to get it through diet. We have to get it through eating. Eating is the only way we'll get them in. Fats is one of your macros, and it should be a part of your balanced eating routine. So again, I never believe in cutting out a whole group of macros or anything like that. You need all of it. It's a place for all of it. Most of these nuts are high in magnesium, in which magnesium can boost your ability to exercise. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help manage migraines as well, amongst the tons of other healthy benefits. If you're practicing intermittent fasting, and also if you're doing 1 meal a day, nuts are a good filler. They help you. It helps make your fast easy. They're loaded with nutrients, and it can help make you feel full. It gives you a sense of fullness throughout the day. A handful of cashews and a bottle of water, that's a good way to test your hunger. Sometimes you'll get tricked into believing that you're hungry because of all the hunger cues that are around. So you can get tricked into thinking that you're hungry. So you can take a handful of cashews or walnuts or whatever, and eat those, drink some water. And after about 10-15 minutes, if you're still displaying signs of hunger, then you probably want to get something to eat. But yeah, man, just try that. Try using them as a snack. Like I said, that holds me for about an hour or two. So let's get on to the list. Let's talk about the other ones that I got on here. Now, you want to get these unsalted if you can. Try to get them dry roasted, or you can get them raw. The nutritional values vary slightly, so the choice is yours. You determine what you want to get. First one on the list, we got walnuts. Walnuts, they lower your cholesterol. They assist in brain health. They're rich in antioxidants and omega-3s. So, walnuts are good for you. We got cashews up next. Cashews. Cashews are rich in copper, in zinc, and magnesium. Next up, we got peanuts. Peanuts are a good source of protein, magnesium, and B vitamins, and they can help lower the risk of heart disease as well. So peanuts, pretty good for you. We got almonds up next. Almonds, they can also help lower your cholesterol. They can assist with weight loss, and they can help lower your blood sugar. Up next, we got pecans. Pecans, they're good with manganese and copper, and they can also help lower your cholesterol. We got up next are sunflower kernels. Sunflower kernels, they can assist with circulation. They have anti-inflammatory properties, and they can also help with digestion as well. So if you feel like you have problems with digesting food, or your fiber intake is low, maybe try some sunflower kernels to help with digestion. Next up, we got pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, they help with circulation as well. They're high in fiber, and they can help with your blood sugar levels. And then last up on the list, we got pistachios. Pistachios, they boost your immune system. They also help with digestion, and it can assist with fat loss. So, those are the 8 there. We got walnuts, cashews, peanuts, almonds, pecans, sunflower kernels, pumpkin seeds, and pistachios. Those are the 8 there. Implement those within your diet, your routine, whatever you got going on. Maybe they can help you Maybe you don't like peanuts. Maybe you don't like seeds. Whatever. Give it a try. If it don't work, cool. As always, think good things about yourself. Be better today than you were yesterday. Peace and blessings. I'm out, man.